What's up, guys? I have this airplane. This is the charger that goes with it, so you can charge it. This is my new airplane. The airplane I got for Christmas is just a lot of money. 200, like almost $100 search though. And it's just a styrofoam thing. Flip it over, there's a battery already charged. You come underneath this thing. You got our radio system, active control panel, what turns the whole thing on. I'll turn it on today. If I wanted to fly it a different day, there has to be no wind. Now I put these tires on. Bam. Now the front wheel is on. Bam, there's the airplane. Here's the set. Here's the control panels. Now, like and subscribe for more videos. Peace.